Hi, my name is Theo Ta. I'm a pre-sales consultant here at SAP. Welcome to the cloud. Your business is growing quickly. You're hiring employees, managing increasing sales, or maybe you're getting serious about customer service and marketing. You might currently be using Excel, QuickBooks, or another lightweight solution, and you're outgrowing it fast. That's where SAP Business ByDesign comes in. SAP Business ByDesign is a complete end-to-end business suite. It unifies every functional department and process in your business, from accounting and finance to manufacturing, supply chain management, and human resources. Now imagine if your accounting team knew immediately when your suppliers delivered products, or if your suppliers were alerted to ship more parts days before manufacturing needed them, and procurement was alerted to create a PO to get them paid on time. We also know you're a fast-growing company, maybe even expanding into new markets. SAP Business ByDesign lets you go global in over 100 markets so you can plot world domination without any process or software slowing you down. No need to set up servers or incur a ton of IT expenses. SAP does all that for you. The other thing that makes it simple is the pre-configured business processes that are built into our product, and SAP has 40 years of experience helping companies transform their organization. Thanks for letting me tell you about SAP Business ByDesign and how it could transform your business. Now take a closer look by signing up for a free test drive, or you could contact us and speak to one of my colleagues.